Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install Vanguard for League of Legends. So first of all, go to Task Manager, make sure VGC is not running. If it's running, just end it. Make sure Riot Client is not running as well, and League of Legends game as well. Those tasks should not be running. If it's running, just end all the tasks here. Then what you need to do here is to go to Installed Apps. Then we need to wait for a couple of seconds, and then you just need to look for Vanguard. And then press on 3 dots and uninstall, and wait until an uninstall process is done. After that, load a Riot client, go to League of Legends or Valorant, it really doesn't matter. Then you just need to update and install Vanguard. After install Vanguard, you should get this message here. So simply you can restart your computer or completely turn off Riot client, then go to services. On services, you just need to write VGC. Go to properties, make sure it's running, and make sure it's on automatic here. And then you just need to relaunch Riot client. And then you can play League of Legends. Vanguard should be working. So that's pretty much it.